This is Felix Piano Academy. We're going to play that song by the name You Are Alpha and Omega. So I'll be breaking down the chords. I'll be showing you how to approach that song. I'll show you the notes. So welcome. Those who have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe for more content. May the Lord bless you. So welcome. Hello people. This is Felix Piano Academy. We want to do a song by the name You Are Alpha and Omega. That is the song that I want us to learn. That is the song. The song starts with Sus 4 and Sus 2. You are, you. Look at the chord. That is Sus 2 inverted. You are. Look at those notes. That is C sharp, D sharp, and G sharp. On my left hand, I'm holding F. So you are Alpha. I'm using add 9, Alpha and Omega, and you can see that chord. That is C sharp major. My right hand is the same as C sharp, and because of this is major C sharp dominant, I inverted. So you are Alpha and Omega. That is 1/5. That is 1. This is 5/3. That is 1/3. 1/3. We C sharp here. You can see those chords. That is B. We worship you, oh Lord. That movement. We worship you. Can see that chord? That is B diminished. We worship you, oh Lord. 1/5. This is 1. This is 5. You are worth to be. I'm still in there. To be praised. Let me go slow. You are Alpha and Omega. We worship you, oh Lord. You are to be praised. You are Alpha and Omega. We worship you, oh Lord. You are worthy to be praised. Okay. The second part is we give you all. It starts here. Here. We this movement. Look at those chords. F sharp, G sharp, C sharp. My right hand. Left hand, number 3. On my left hand, I have C, F sharp, I have A, I also have D sharp. So it's that chord. Or number 3. So it's a movement. It's a movement from here to here, here to here. How do we go it? How do we do it? Look again. Ooh. Then we give you the previous one. Yeah. So slow by slow. Once again. We give you glory. We worship you, oh Lord. That is the movement. So let's play the whole thing. The whole thing. The whole thing. The whole thing. Whole thing. Then the movement. Once again. That's how we approach that song. So guys, that's how we approach that song. Your Alpha and Omega. Press that red button, subscribe to my channel. God bless you.